What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. So the purpose of this video is just to simply get some feedback from you guys as to what kind of videos you guys want to see me uploading. I like to do my how-to videos simply because that's what I do for work. I do all the repairs, maintenance, installations, anything like that. So I pretty much come across a whole range of different tasks every single day, and I like to be helping out people out there who are struggling or just want to know a little bit of how to when it comes to all the individual tasks. So I'll give you guys a quick example. What I'm doing today, we've got this whole section here that's going to be re-turfed. So I've got a delivery of turf on its way now. All these retaining walls, little garden beds are all being ripped out and it's going to be re-turfed. Down the side of the house here, I've cleared out this whole section here. Used to have a whole range of pavers all the way down, and we're going to be concreting down the side of the house here to have a concrete footpath all the way down. So like I said, I just want to get some feedback as to what kind of specific videos you guys want to see. All being cleared out all the way down. Concrete's going to stop right here, and then it's going to be landscaped down this side as well. We've got the skip bin ready to go. I've also got my new Husqvarna self-propelled lawnmower, which I'm going to be doing a review on in a few days. Another garden bed here that I've just removed, and I'm going to be leveling out that section. Same thing down here, already turfed. But like I said, I just want to get some feedback from you guys as to what kind of videos you like seeing. So if you want me to keep doing my how-to videos, more than happy to keep doing that. I actually enjoy it, and I can keep uploading all day long, making different content, completely random topics. That's why sometimes you guys see me doing cleaning videos, sometimes landscaping, sometimes it's pressure washing. So like I said, I do a whole range of different tasks, so I can keep uploading videos all day long. If that's what you guys want to see, just how-to videos. At the end of the day, the purpose of my channel is just to help you guys out. So give you guys the a bit of know-how as to how to do the things yourselves so that you don't get a nice hefty bill at the end of the day. But hopefully you guys have been enjoying my videos. I've got a painting job coming up in about 2 days time, so I'll be painting a whole house from scratch. If there's any specifics that you guys want to see, let me know. Like I said, this video is only going to be up for a few days, then I'm going to delete it. I'm also looking at buying a sprayer. I don't spray that often, but I need to spray all the doors in the house, and I also want to test it out and see how well they actually spray ceilings. So I'm sick of doing things the old school way. Usually I roll everything and cut in with a brush. I want to see just how much more efficient it is to use a sprayer, and I'm looking at picking up the Wagner. So if you guys want to see a review on that, let me know. Also any specifics, let me know. Once again, as always guys, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How To.